everybody, my name is Tank. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'll be giving you my thoughts about where we are in the market as well as where I think we might be heading in the near future. Right now, we are definitely dealing with some sell pressure, but I think we're A-okay. Let me tell you guys why. Before I do that, let's jump into CoinMarketCap to see how the entire crypto space is doing currently with this drawdown. Yesterday, we were at a total market cap of $1.93 trillion. Right now we're at $1.84 trillion. So we are definitely seeing a drawdown in the overall crypto space. That's not to say that overall we're not doing well. In a span of 7 days, we're still well in the green for all top 10 coins in the crypto space. Let's go back to Bitcoin's 4-hour time frame and take a look at the charts. As you guys can see here, I have some real simple TA to follow. I like to keep things simple. I think when you overcomplicate things, you just give yourself more room for error. So I'm keeping it really simple. I have a very weak support line here, and I have a very strong resistance line here. We've been trading within this channel, this upwards channel, for some time. Matter of fact, since the 20th, when we started this run to the upside for Bitcoin. And until we break either up or down, I'm not going to invalidate what is a very, very simple pattern to follow. Right now for Bitcoin, either two things are going to be happening in the short to near future. And let me simplify it for you guys. We're either going to ride this 50 EMA, which is this yellow line, and bounce off of it and find support and rally back up. Or we're going to do what I hope Bitcoin actually does, and I'll probably catch some flack for saying that. But I actually hope Bitcoin breaks through the 50 EMA and comes down and tests that $42,000 level of support before rallying back up to $50,000 like a lot of people are hoping Bitcoin does. Why do you say that, you might say? It's because I want Bitcoin to show me its strength. Right now, we've been riding this high, testing the ceiling more times than obviously the floor. And the whole time we're pumping, I can't help but think in the back of my mind, we've only touched the floor once. That goes back to me saying this is a really weak support line. I want to see this support line strengthen. I want Bitcoin to prove to me that it really wants to rally and make another run up to all-time highs. Show me your strength, Bitcoin. I don't want to front run your market moves. I don't want to front run what might possibly happen. That's how people get wrecked. I want to react to what the market does. That's what you should be doing. I think that's the best strategy for most people. Don't try to front run the market. Let the market do its thing and let the market tell you what it wants to do. And right now, I would like to see the market come down and show me its strength at the $42,000 level, flip which was once really strong resistance back into support, and show everybody that you really honestly truly do want to make a push to the upside yet again. That's what I really would like for Bitcoin to do. Now, I know that might not be the popular opinion, but honestly, that's just me. That's what I'm hoping happens. And I do have buy orders set here for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano in retrospect to this support line. But honestly, that's what I would much rather it do currently. If it does come down to the 50 EMA and then bounce off of that, I'm not going to complain. Look, it is what it is. If it does that, then it's just going to be reconfirming what it's been doing previously, guys. It'd just be like going to an old dance with an old girlfriend, doing the same old moves that you're accustomed to. It's just like this dip that we're going through right now. We've been at this price point. Nothing to freak out about. This is totally normal. It's not even a double-digit drawdown percent-wise for Bitcoin's price. This is just a normal tangle that we've already done with our old girlfriend. We should be totally comfortable here. You know, that's just my opinion. It looks totally normal. We've rallied quite hard, and we need to have some kind of pullback. We need to have a breather. We need to recompose ourselves before making another to the upside, right? Before pushing deep. Again, that got really awkward really fast, didn't it? But anyway, you guys are catching my drift. You guys understand what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure you guys do. But that's what I'm seeing in the short to near future for Bitcoin. I have a hunch or a feeling that once options close tomorrow on Friday, I think we'll start seeing higher price points real quick. I think this might be in preparation of whatever bearish needs are out there for option traders. And I think we're just going to fulfill their needs. And then much like we did last time when I told you guys with options closing, we're going to bust. We're going to go to the upside. We're going to bust. That's just my opinion. I could be totally wrong, but that's what I'm thinking, guys. Let's take a look at ETH right now and see what ETH is doing. ETH, unfortunately, has come back down after breaking through resistance and is now just testing its support line as well. ETH is much like Bitcoin with the support line. I really don't feel like this is a very strong support line, even though it is there. I had to chart it because I start charting support lines once I get 1 or 2 touches on it. And this is right here from the beginning, 1 touch, 2 touches. So I started trending it out, right? Or charting it out. And right now, in my opinion, I kind of lump this together as one touch. I would like to see, like it's doing right now, ETH show me its strength and then bounce off of this support line. If it does that, again, much like Bitcoin, that just cements the bullishness and its next move to the upside for me. That's just my thinking. Right now, we are just back in this pattern. Again, we're using this top as resistance, which is right around that $3,200 price for Ethereum. And right now, we're just kind of getting our second wind. Too many bullish things are going on right now for Ethereum, guys. If you guys don't know, I said this in my last video, and I'm not trying to convince you guys, but I was really skeptical about Ethereum as well. I was, look, it doesn't have a set amount of tokens. There could be an infinite supply, but there is a mechanism that controls the amount of new tokens that are printed into the system. When you compare that to the burn ratio that we've been experiencing since EIP 1559 has been released, guys, they're burning way more tokens than the supply is putting back into the market. If that burn rate keeps up, in definition, it actually can complete that narrative that people have been saying by becoming a deflationary asset in the crypto space, guys. If you're burning more than you're putting in, by definition, that completes what people have been saying. Scarcity is there. So long as that burn ratio stays up and that network activity stays up, it could actually become ultrasound money. And I gotta admit, guys, it has me more and more bullish just knowing it. I did my homework about it. I was skeptical about it like the rest of you guys, but I did my homework after hearing it from another YouTuber who was fantastic pointing it out. It's math. It's there. So long as that ratio holds up as far as the burn amount stays where it's at, it can even dip down a little bit. It'll still be burning way more than the Ethereum is coming back into the market. So there's that, guys. With scarcity comes higher price points. Right now, I just want to see Ethereum hold this trend line and then rally back up. I'm not even going to look at the lower time frames because, like I said, I think when options close tomorrow, we'll be seeing higher price points. Same thing for ADA. Actually, ADA's actually not the same thing. ADA's a little different. Right now, there's a lot of hype for ADA. If you guys don't know, Crypto Banter, I believe, is going to be hosting Charles tomorrow and his bullish news about what smart contract dates. I think a lot of people are just foaming at the mouth about that news. Once Charles comes out and says the actual date tomorrow on Crypto Banter, don't miss that, guys. Crypto Banter show. I think he said he confirmed that he's going to be hosting Charles and the news about Cardano's smart contract dates. Once Charles lets everybody know the date, I really do think it's a moonshot. I think $2 easy. $2 easy, guys. Also, on top of that, Japan, I've been saying this for a while now, Japan is listing Cardano on their exchange. The third largest market in the world is going to have Cardano available for their retail investors and or traders. Even their institutions. They're all going to get into it, guys. They're savvy over there in Japan. They know a good deal when they see it. They know good technology when they see it as well. So, again, kind of different than Ethereum and Bitcoin, but I think we're going to see higher price points here shortly, guys. Cardano is not even coming close to its recent trend line that I had charted here. It just left it in the rearview mirror. But that's what I'm seeing right now for the market, guys. That's just my humble opinion. I hope that it helps somebody out there. If you guys like the video, please consider liking the video. It helps me out a lot. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help me quite a bit with the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to grow the channel, trying to give you guys my unbiased opinion about what's currently happening within the market each and every day, whether it be bullish or bearish. With that being said, guys, like I always say, remain in profits, realize profits when they're there, protect yourself, don't overextend, stay blessed. Peace.